Venus Talingting from Club Gymnastica. You're one of the successful organizers ng Milo sports programs, lalo na sa gymnastics. Tell us yung involvement ng Club Gymnastica sa partnership nyo with Milo.
Kami yung natap for, hindi naman natap. We have been partners with Milo since 1983, especially for gymnastics. And kung ano yung advocacy ni Milo, we embody also sa aming organization.
Okay, so are you grateful na? Of course, matuloy-tuloy nga ang support sa Milo. Of course, sa inyong advocacies dyan sa Club Gymnastica.
Siyempre, yung success ni Milo is also our success since dahil partner kami with Milo.
Okay, so pag-usapan natin ang latest dito sa inyong club. Congratulations! Nakaakot kayo ng medalya dyan sa Boost Games sa Bangkok, Pasig, Makati, St. Paul's. Almost 100 plus medals na napanunan nyo. What's your assessment dito sa sabi ko?
Annually talaga, we really join Boost Games 2024 kasi maganda yung reach na dahil almost yung mga countries sa Southeast Asia joins this Boost Games 2024, and it's a mixture of competitive and beginners competition na okay din siya for our uprising athletes, especially sa Pilipinas.
At mukhang improving talaga yung mga gymnasts over the time dito sa nasabing Boost Games. Ano reaction ninyo dahil unti-unti nagpapalakas na yung mga gymnasts ninyo?
Nakakatuwa kasi despite na it's a friendly competition, nakikita namin yung rank ng mga bata among international competitors from Japan, from China, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Singapore. Nakikita namin na angat yung mga bata from Club Gymnastica.
Okay, final message. By the way, anong iba pa mga latest sa Club Gymnastica na hindi natin nabanggit?
For now, may mga competitions, upcoming competitions na kami naman yung sasali. This May, we have a competition sa Singapore hosted by Prime, and sa June naman, we will be also joining a Hong Kong competition hosted by Sports Scene Gymnastics.
Okay, final message na lang po sa mga taga-sport.
Inaanyayahan din namin lahat, especially mga parents, to involve their kids sa sports. And if magustuhan nilang gymnastics, we are starting our gymnastics summer program for the year 2024 this coming May 2024. And ang maganda doon is we have a whole year program after summer if nagustuhan nila yung gymnastics as a sport.
Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Venus, and congratulations.
Thank you so much.